subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
HTC has launched its new entry-level smartphone in Taiwan called Desire 19s, and it is the successor of the last year's launched Desire 12s smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the HTC Desire 19s comes equipped by 6.2-inch IPS display with HD Plus resolution and 19:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek's Helio P22 chipset, paired with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of inbuilt storage, which can further expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the HTC Desire 19s supports triple camera setup on the rear, which features a 13MP main camera with f1.9 aperture plus 5MP ultra wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture and a 5MP depth sensor with f2.2 aperture. For selfies, there is a 16MP camera at the front under the water drop notch with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the device runs on Android 9 Pie based on HTC's Sense UI skin on top. The phone comes backed by 3850 mAh of battery with 10 watts fast charging support through a USB Type-C port. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the smartphone includes dual-band Wi-Fi, 4G, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC and a 3.5mm audio jack. The physical dimensions of the phone measures at 156.2 by 74.8 by 8.47 mm and weighs around 170 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability. The HTC Desire 19s is now available for purchase in Taiwan at 5,990 Taiwan dollar, which roughly translates to 14,000 Indian rupees or 195 US dollars. So, what do you guys think of this HTC Desire 19s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.